Hi guys, Keto for Real Life people here. And yes, I'm in my pajamas. I haven't done it in a while, so I just want to say I'm in the kitchen cooking, and today I'm making chicken enchilada soup. So I started out with a little chicken broth, which I'm going to show you. It's bone broth that I made. It's so jiggly, it's so yummy, and I'm just going to try to show you the steps as I go along. Enjoy! Oh my goodness, this is going to be some really good soup. Look how jiggly my bone broth is. Bone broth going in the pot. Look, it's just clinging to the sides. How lovely is that? So, to the bone broth, which was 1 quart, I added 2 cups of the Las Palmas enchilada sauce. It is mild, it is gluten-free, and it's very low carb, low fat. It's just really good flavor, guys. And all you do to your bone broth is add the enchilada sauce. Yum, yum, yum. I tasted it and the flavor is great. I am going to go to the next step. So to this, I'm adding 2 cups of shredded chicken thigh and leg meat. I used the meat from the bone broth that I made. So this is how you can double down. Now see here, we've got that wonderful soup base of enchilada sauce and broth, and then the chicken. And as this starts to warm up, I'm gonna add some shredded cheese to this in little bitty increments to just sort of blend it in. It's gonna be so good. All right, next I'm gonna be adding a 1/2 cup, and you'll see I use the same cup for enchilada sauce, but it's just a 1/2 cup of sour cream, or you can use this. This is Cacique's Crema Mexicana. It's table cream. I happen to be out of traditional American sour cream, so I'm gonna cream this up just a bit here, and it's gonna really give it a more rich, bold flavor. The next step, after you've got your broth, your chicken enchilada sauce, your chicken, and your cream in here, is to start adding cheese. Now I've got 2 cups here, and I'm just gonna start by sprinkling it over the top and then blending. We don't want it to seize up. This is going to be like my version of, you know, enchilada soup that you get at Chili's. The really only difference here is that they use masa, a type of corn flour that has lime in it, and they put it in there and it gives it that tortilla corn flavor. But you just get this in here and let it melt. Now I will say this, you can season your broth however you want to. If you noticed, I really haven't added a lot of salt or pepper because my broth was flavored. I like to make my bone broth seasoned the way I like it. So it has plenty of salt and pepper and thyme, and, you know, garlic salt and all that good stuff. So you just keep adding this until you incorporate it. And then we're going to use more cheese. This is for those of you who just really, really love the taste of Mexican food, but you don't feel like making tortillas, or fathead tortillas, or cheese tortillas. And this is going to make quite a few servings here too, guys. It's a good sized pot. Again, I'm just going to keep adding the cheese, and we're going to get that flavor profile happening. I will be just with you in a second. Okay, now this is something I'm gonna do. I like mine to be a little thicker, so I'm sprinkling 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum across the top, and I'm gonna stir it in. You can either add this step or you can omit this step. It is just up to you. Me personally, I love it when it's thick and creamy and rich. The flavor already is wonderful, you guys. It is so wonderful. So I'm just going to continue to stir this while the xanthan gum thickens. and then I'll show you the finished product. And last but not least, I like to add about 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. It just freshens it up. It freshens it up so much. It just brings it to life. And I will tell you that the xanthan gum that I added, it really gave it the creamy texture that the corn flour would have given it. So that's it. Now really, this is where you want to serve it up, top it, and enjoy it. So there we go. Chicken enchilada soup and some salad, and I'm gonna call it lunch. This is keto deliciousness, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. So simple, so easy.